Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi Mi 11, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM card into this device. So before we get started, you will need a SIM eject tool, as I have one right over here. It comes provided with the device, so you can get it from the box. We could also use a paper clip, straighten out one on the ends, and it should work just as well. So from there, what you want to do is pop out the tray, which is located on the bottom of the device next to the charging port. So right over here, as you can see. And once you push it in, the tray pops out. Once you take it out, and here you have space for two different SIM cards, so you can place one on each side with the chip towards the outside, as you can see. And from there, simply insert it back into your device. Give it a second. At least my card has a pin, so I do need to confirm it, but if yours doesn't, it will just automatically start working, so you don't need to do anything extra. And now if you did have a pin, just as I did, then you will need to confirm it, and from there it should work basically the same way. So that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.